Ever wonder if you can actually crank out 30 pieces of high-quality content in a single 24-hour period using nothing but your smartphone? The short answer is absolutely yes, but it only happens if you are extremely strategic about your workflow. Social platforms are practically screaming for more content right now, which means you do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. The trick is picking a few reliable content pillars, repurposing like crazy, and letting specialized tools do the heavy lifting for you. I have been testing a bunch of workflows, and today I will walk you through 5 specific pillars you can execute mostly from mobile. We will be mixing a little CapCut for the visual polish with Vizard to automate all the boring parts so you can hit that 30-post goal without losing your mind. Pillar 1 is using templates because it is honestly the fastest route to high-volume output. Templates are the reason people think they can churn out content so fast because apps like CapCut have pre-built designs that do the hard work. You simply drop your clips or photos into the timeline, and the edit automatically syncs to the music beat for you. I took a handful of festival clips from my phone, picked a day-in-the-life template, and swapped in my shots for a professional look in minutes. Quick pro tip: when you are cropping, make sure to focus on the most interesting element in the frame to keep viewers locked in. Because these template cuts are so fast, viewers really only get a second or two per shot, so you have to make every single frame count. Templates are perfect for batch creating reels because you can use one template to create multiple versions of content very quickly. The downside to CapCut templates is they can feel a bit repetitive if you do not tweak them, and they cannot find your best moments in long footage. That is exactly where Vizard shines, because instead of hunting through hours of footage, its auto-editing features find the viral moments for you. I use CapCut when I want a specific visual style, but I switch to Vizard when I need to mine long videos for those viral, ready-to-post bites. Pillar 2 is the classic talking head format, but we are going to make it your own with a unique visual spin. The vibe here is simple. You need a strong hook line, short talking head takes, and punchy on-screen text in a big, readable font. On mobile, you can do this for free by recording your talking head, then using AI to auto-generate captions and remove all those filler words. Find a bold sans serif font, add a thick outline, and color your keywords neon green to make them pop off the screen. But remember 2 pointers: cut out all the dead air in your audio and vary how the text appears to keep viewers constantly scanning the screen. Vizard helps here by automating caption generation, which lets you batch produce multiple styles and cuts from just one master recording. In short, CapCut is amazing for hands-on design, while Vizard is perfect for scale and speed if you want dozens of clips from a single session. Pillar 3 is story-driven text posts, like those viral Reddit horror stories or mini threads that dominate feeds. Story posts work insanely well because they are scroll stoppers. The format combines cinematic background footage with a juicy short text story. If you do not have your own footage, just grab a free time-lapse or a moody loop from a stock library like Pexels. Then write a short, intriguing story of your own, screenshot it or lay out the text, and layer it right over that background footage. The secret sauce is the voice, so if you do not want to record, Vizard's text-to-speech options create a much more realistic tone than standard apps. Make sure the visual changes every few seconds to keep the eye engaged by breaking the long post into several different cards. Vizard really helps here by pulling out likely viral snippets from long live streams or podcasts and turning them into bite-sized stories. Instead of copy-pasting dozens of posts manually, Vizard lets you scale this specific type of content incredibly fast. Pillar 4 is your own cinematic edit, where you combine overlays and keyframes for a truly bespoke look. For this one, start a fresh project and pick a trending sound first. I love browsing CapCut's trending library to grab audio that already has momentum. Use overlays to stack multiple horizontal clips into a vertical frame, like putting yourself filming on the bottom while the main shot plays above. Add keyframes to animate the scale or position, starting small and zooming in, and throw in a simple text animation for the first 2 seconds. This is the most creative pillar and will look the most original in your feed, but it is definitely the heaviest lift to produce. If you want to make 30 unique edits from a 3-hour shoot, Vizard can auto-detect the best moments like crowd reactions and high-energy mics. You can then export those high-potential moments into CapCut for that final manual polish. Pillar 5 is reaction content, which piggybacks on other content that is already getting attention. Grab a trailer or a viral clip, play it for a beat to hook the viewers, then jump in with your unique take. The trick on mobile is removing your background to overlay your reaction on top of the clip for that seamless integration. Always remember to add your own insights or technical breakdowns, because that is what keeps your content legit and valuable to your audience. Vizard makes this faster by monitoring your footage and clipping the moments where audiences are most likely to react. It can batch create these reaction-ready clips and even help you schedule them for posting across your platforms. To pull this off in a 24-hour sprint, pick 2 pillars as your volume engines, 2 as value engines, and 1 for creative showcase. Use CapCut for the hands-on styling and let Vizard do the heavy lifting of finding the viral moments and handling the scheduling. This combo works better than just one tool because free editors are great for design, but they are tedious to use manually. Vizard sits in the sweet spot, built to extract viral bits and give you dozens of outputs while handling the publishing. That means you can be creative, not tedious, and stop wasting your day doing the same boring edits over and over. You do not have to use every pillar, just pick the ones that play to your strengths and make small variations to keep things fresh. Most importantly, focus on consistency over perfection, because 30 goodish posts that reach people beats 1 perfect post that no one ever sees. Want more of these templates or a walkthrough on how I plug Vizard into a phone-first workflow? Drop a comment below and let me know. Try mixing CapCut and Vizard for a week, and you will see exactly how much time you reclaim and how much better your content performs. See you in the next one, and get ready to crush your content goals.